This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook vegan rice. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of long-grain white rice, 2 cups of vegetable broth or water, and a pinch of salt. Ensure you have a pot with a tight-fitting lid ready. This fundamental setup guarantees a consistent and delicious result for your plant-based meal. Washing your rice is a crucial step for achieving perfect, separate grains. Place 1 cup of rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cool running water for about 60 seconds until the water is clear. Optionally, soak the rice in fresh water for 30 minutes to ensure a softer, more evenly cooked texture. This small effort makes a significant difference. For stovetop cooking, combine 1 cup of rinsed rice with 2 cups of vegetable broth or water in a medium pot. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and let it simmer for 15 minutes without peaking. This undisturbed cooking ensures the rice absorbs all the liquid evenly. To truly elevate your vegan rice, consider infusing it with aromatic ingredients. You can add a bay leaf, a pinch of turmeric for color and earthy notes, or even a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder to the cooking liquid. Stirring in a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley or cilantro just before serving also adds wonderful freshness. These simple additions transform plain rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.